My makeup looks terrible, bro, but it's a mess. Like, I look like a fucking ghost. Hi, I'm back. So what? Oh my god. I think the last time I posted a video was in November of 2025 and now it's 2026, April. और अभी तक मैंने एक भी वीडियो नहीं डाला and you guys are still here. Thank you so much. I was in London when you last saw me. Now I'm in Goa since the past 4 months. This is going to be my fourth month. तो मैं यहाँ आई थी for like a short break, but कुछ ना कुछ होता गया, and now it's officially 4 months for me. Also, disclaimer: ignore my makeup. Okay, I know I look really like baked. It's because the weather यहाँ पर इतना ज़्यादा गर्मी है, and my foundation doesn't match my skin tone anymore because I've got really tanned. Okay, so मैं मतलब भूत नहीं लग रही हूँ basically, but fuck that. Let's focus on the video. Don't focus on my face. Okay. ये वीडियो मैं कब से बनाना चाहती थी because I see a lot of my friends, a lot of girly pops being treated like shit by men. Like you, queen, you are getting treated like shit by a guy who looks like that. What is wrong with you? This video is for the girls like me, जिनका दिल बहुत साफ है, लेकिन you expect कि दूसरे लोग भी आपके तरह सोचेंगे, but that's not what happens. Okay, especially with men, with guys, with boys, उनके लिए priority हमेशा से the number one priority will be their family and their career, not you. I think 0.1 या फिर 0.0000001% कोई लड़के होंगे जो मतलब लड़की को या उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड को या फिर उनकी पत्नी को फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी रखते होंगे, बट द रेस्ट ऑफ द होल मर्द जात उनकी हमेशा नंबर वन प्रायोरिटी विल बी देयर फैमिली एंड देयर करियर. ओके, अगर उनके करियर के साथ कुछ हो जाता है, अगर उनकी जिंदगी में कुछ डिफिकल्टीज आ जाती हैं, द फर्स्ट थिंग दे विल डू इज दे विल ड्रॉप यू. Okay, I don't know why they do this. I don't know. मुझे भी जानना है. If any guy is watching this video, tell me. The moment कुछ बुरा हो जाता है आपके जिंदगी में, why do you disappoint the woman first? Why do you drop the woman? Suddenly वो लोग बोलने लगेंगे, we are busy, we have a lot of work to do, I need to focus on my career. If you want to focus on your career, did we as women stop you from focusing on your career? हमने क्या आपको बांध के रखा है कि नहीं, करियर पे फोकस तुम नहीं करोगे, मुझ पे ही फोकस करोगे, सब कुछ मेरे लिए ही करोगे? नॉट एट ऑल. व्हाई वुड वी डू दैट? वी आर नॉट क्रेजी. आई मीन यस, सम ऑफ अस आर क्रेजी, बट वी आर नॉट दैट क्रेजी कि हम आपको मतलब रस्सी से बांध के हम विल टाई यू टू अ हिप एंड वी आर लाइक नो, यू कैन नॉट गो एनीवेयर, यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग, यू कैन नॉट वर्क, यू कैन नॉट डू योर करियर. वी डोंट डू दैट. ओके, वी आल्सो वांट यू टू बी सक्सेसफुल, बट फॉर सम रीजन मैंने ये पैटर्न बहुत नोटिस किया है कि गाइज दे जस्ट ड्रॉप द वुमन पहले, सबसे पहले. If there's anything going wrong in their career or in their family, first thing they will do is drop the woman. They'll be like, I'm sorry, babe, I don't think this is working. Or I don't think I can do this right now. I don't think I want a relationship with you anymore. I need to focus on my career. I need to do this for my dad and my family and my this one and my that one. They will prioritize everything except you. When you and me as a woman, हमें क्या चाहिए? We just want time, effort. और अगर टाइम और एफर्ट में हमें भीख मांगनी पड़ती है, then what's the point, bro? Do you know, if any guy is watching this video, do you know a woman in your life is like, मतलब you have everything. अगर आज आप पैसे बनाओगे, आपके पास सब कुछ होगा, but you don't have a good woman in your life, you will always feel that there's something lacking. मर्दों को मैं सिर्फ एक ही बात बोलूंगी, that if you want focus on your career, कोई आपको रोक नहीं रहा है, but at the same time, if you have someone in your life who is trustworthy, valuable, who is respectful, ठीक है, तो उसको आप संभाल के रखो, like your most precious thing in this entire freaking universe. Do you guys not realize? Versus women in love, we are fools. When we women are in love, we are completely blind. We don't see कि oh, इसकी शक्ल ऐसी है, ये ऐसा है, वो ऐसा है. We only see the way the men treat us, and the moment we are treated well, we fall for them. Now our whole pura sansar is revolving around this one man, and after some time, when we give them attention, then they are like, oh, I'm so sorry, I'm busy, I need to focus on my career. मर्दों से मेरा सिर्फ एक ही सवाल है कि डोंट यू थिंक वी एज वुमेन हैव अ करियर? I know ki, some guys will come and argue ki, as men also we have careers, and as men we need to provide. That is what the society expects from us. I'm not denying that. But as women as well, in this day and age, our career is very important. A woman without a career has no value in this day and age. ठीक है? So it's equally important. But we do not be like, हमें अपने career पे focus करना है. That's why we're dropping the men. I have seen very few women do that. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा the girls or the women in my life, at least, I've always seen them sacrificing for men. The men may look like shit, and then they'll be like, oh my god, he has left me, oh my god, he's not treating me well. I'm like, babe, उसकी शक्ल देख पहले. ठीक है, शक्ल भी अच्छी है, अक्ल तो है उसके पास नहीं, because if he had some अक्ल he wouldn't have done this to you. So what the fuck are you crying for? Okay, you can cry for on him for like 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks max. उससे ज्यादा, एक महीने से ज्यादा अगर आप किसी लड़के के लिए रो रहे हो, then babe, you've got to have a life, because look at you, look at you. देवी हो आप, देवी. He was lucky to have you in his life. आंखों से जो पट्टी है वो निकाल दे बहन. Okay, stop being a fool. Men are selfish, whereas women in love are fools. Like अगर आप आसपास देखो तो anytime it comes to their career or their family, men will always prioritize that and then the woman. Okay, 99.9% cases में यही होता है. And when it comes to women, when we are in love, oh my god, la la la, la la land हो जाता है हमारे दिमाग में. La 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 la. हम तो मतलब बह जाते हैं पानी के साथ. We are like, oh my god, he loves me, he's giving me so much attention, he's giving me so much time. I think I'm in love. I will leave everything for this man. He is the center of my universe. Whereas that man, he's thinking, oh my god, I got such a baddie, I got such a good girl, I must be doing something right. तो वो जो फोकस तुम उस पे कर रही हो, वो पूरा फोकस लेकर वो बंदा अभी खुद पे फोकस करने लग जाता है. And he's like, oh my god, this girl loves me, I must be having something amazing about myself. Wow, I'm sure all the girls in this world will love me. She is in love with me, so let me go and focus on my career, let me go get some other girls, or I don't know what. Bro, ये pattern इतना ज़्यादा common है कि I'm like, oh my god, I wish me as a woman, I wish I could be as selfish as a man is. I wish I could prioritize other things over being loving towards the guy or the man I like. Girls, trust me, if you want to learn anything from boys or from men in general, learn to be selfish like them. Learn to prioritize your career, your money, all of that above men. लड़के तो आते जाते रहेंगे. In the process, you might meet a good guy, because 0.1% I still believe. 0.1% I have that belief कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ लड़के हैं जो एक्चुअल में अच्छे हैं, बट जो 99.9% लड़के हैं उनका कोई भरोसा नहीं है बहन. No. So that's what I'm saying. If anything you want to take from this video is, especially if you're a girl watching it, if you're a guy watching it, I don't think I have to even tell you, but if you're a girl watching this video, please learn to be selfish like men. That is, अगर मैं कुछ भी उनसे like ले सकती हूँ तो I would be like, please God, teach me the art of detachment the way they do. The moment something comes difficult in their life, they just detach from the woman. They can drop the woman in one night. मतलब one morning they will wake up on a random Tuesday and they'll be like, or they'll just stop talking to you, or they'll just ghost you, or I don't know. इतने सारे terms आ चुके हैं that I don't even know what's going on. But it's so scary to think that someday, like, a man can just wake up one morning and he can just decide that, oh, I don't want her in my life anymore, and he can move on with his life, with another girl, towards his career, to another country. I don't know what, bro. Like, they are insane. Some men are insane. I'm not saying all men, but unfortunately I'm straight. मैं अपनी experience बोल रही हूँ. This is not like a man hating video, although I do see myself as a man hater, except for the guy I date. No one else. The only exception, I would say. I am a man hater through and through, and I do not give a flying rat's ass. And when I say I'm a man hater, it's not like, oh, I hate men, men are this. ऐसा नहीं है. But it's based on my experiences, based on the experiences I've seen the girls around have. Okay, that this is not like a propaganda or something. ठीक है, मैं ऐसी नहीं हूँ. Clock it. Juice में पैर गिर गया यार. Ew. But yeah, that's how it is. Like, I mean, the one woman who would genuinely care for them, who would genuinely be there for them, who would support them through everything difficult that they're going through in their life, that one woman, they drop. They stop giving her attention. They just deprioritize her completely. अगर कोई किसी को साइकोलॉजी पता है तो प्लीज मुझे बताओ कि ऐसा क्यों होता है. मर्द जात ऐसे होते क्यों है यार. They say women are complicated. I think men are simple yet complicated. They are very like, yeah, whatever, and they move on. I don't know, dude. I don't know. Like, how can you get rid of the one thing that loves you so much and is ready to be there with you through your hard times? Like, why would you do that, bro, brother? बताओ मुझे क्यों? They don't care how much it hurts you. कितना भी आप. Why is somebody writing firecrackers at this time, bro? Anyways, they do not care how sad you are, how much आप गिड़गिड़ा के रो लो, भीख मांग लो, कुछ भी कर लो. They do not fucking care. और आप देवी उस जैसे शक्ल वाले इंसान के पैरों में गिर रहे हो क्यों? इवन इफ इज हॉट, ओके, इवन इफ इज हॉट, उसकी हरकतें तो गलीच ही है ना, नीच ही है, तो क्यों? बट आई अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि इन मोस्ट केसेस वी वुमेन वी गेट अटैच्ड वेरी क्विकली. वी आर लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, ही इज डूइंग सो मच फॉर मी, आई डोंट थिंक आई गेट अनदर गाय लाइक हिम. I aspire to be as selfish as men are when they are sad and they just walk out of your life. I want to be that selfish. God, please give me that power, that superpower that I don't have right now. Because मैं, as a person, when I like someone, I am the most obsessed bitch you'll ever see. Okay, I am fully into you. I will not see anything else. I will not look at anyone else. शाहरुख खान भी आके मेरे सामने खड़ा हो जाए ना, तो भी मैं उसको इग्नोर मार दूंगी, and I will only focus on the guy I like. Where is he? Forget Aishwarya Rai, Katrina Kaif. कोई random लड़की भी आ जाए ना, they will be like, oh, the chase is over now with this girl. Not exciting anymore. Let me find another girl. Let me see if that girl also likes me. Let me see. Let me get some validation. Bro, my brain isn't braining anymore. मैं मर्दों को समझ ही नहीं पाऊंगी, चाहे जो कुछ भी हो जाए. Ignore all the mess in the background. वो मैंने नजर के लिए रखा है. These days, no, this song is going on in my head. I can move on, baby doll, waiting on calls, flipping through stations. I'm outclassed, it's outrageous. And then I was like, shit, ये तो actually relatable है for all of us girls who have been in love or whatever you may want to call it. Even if we like someone, this is how we feel. पहले वो इतना attention देंगे. The moment life gets difficult for them, drop. And you're just waiting on calls. तो वेटिंग कि कब वो साइन के लिए रुकते हो. फिर वो टैरो वाली रील्स आती हैं अपनी इंस्टाग्राम फीड पे, एंड दे आर लाइक, ओह ही इज मिसिंग यू, ही इज obsessed with you. Bro, if anything, he's obsessed with another goal. His life, his goals with you, he doesn't even think about you. फिर आप वो पूरी साइकिल में जीने लगते हो, डेल्यूलू के हो, he's gonna come back, he's gonna miss me. No bro, he's only gonna miss you when he, कुछ सालों बाद या फिर कुछ महीने बाद, when he realizes that no other girl was like you. But तब तक you will also have moved on, I hope. Okay, take care of your pure hearts. Let's learn to be more selfish, although it's a bit difficult. But कोई option ही नहीं है. We live in a man's world. Clock it. I love you. I'll see you in my next video. ये video बहुत ही random है. Also ignore my hair. Literally didn't comb my hair. Just I'm supposed to go out now, and I'm supposed to fix this makeup also and my hair and everything. But yeah, I don't really care how I look in the video sometimes. I mean, not like this with the horn up, but okay, yeah, whatever. As long as you get the message, you know. Sorry for all the hand movement. I don't know. I just painted my nails though. So, oh my god, I look like a joker. This is exactly like how women look when they're in love, like a joker. You know, अगर मैं थोड़ी यहाँ पर red, like I had a glass of pineapple juice kept over here. मैंने हाथ मार दिया, and the whole thing fell down. How clumsy can I be? At least the glass didn't break. A win is a win.